Hello, welcome to part 4 of our drag car series. This is our last and final video. You're here again with me, Alex from HPD. If you don't recall, in our earlier videos, we went through our planning, our prepping, and our painting. Today we are getting our tinker on and we're going to be assembling our vehicle. We'll have our finished product by the end of this. You're gonna see that we made the decision to add some extra splashes of sass. Queenie got every bit of pink accessory we could possibly give her. I'll be showing you how I changed out the springs as well as the wheel nuts. And then at the end, we added on a customized wheelie bar, making all of those pink metal. It's really fun. Off screen, one of our more advanced experts in fun helped me out with changing out the steering blocks and the steering bell crank. Because those were beyond beginner level, we didn't have me doing it on camera, but let me know, is that something you would like to see more of? Would you like some more advanced tips and tools on our channel? Beyond that, once the insides of the car were ready to go, it was time to get that body on. You're gonna see me add on that Proline extender that we talked about to help her fit properly and get the body all lined up, and then finding space to put the holes in so that we can actually attach our finished product. I'm also going to show you how we attach the spoiler for that flowing blonde hair we've talked about. And of course, those eyelashes. I gotta tell you, I think putting eyelashes on a car was easier than putting them on myself. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I look forward to taking you through it with me. All right, we're getting right into it. So I'm using that ONP 3500, the On Point toolkit for Traxxas. Pretty sure here that I'm using the 7mm nut driver, but the great thing is the kit comes with several sizes of nut drivers as well as screws. So you're gonna see, even if I don't always remember which one I'm using, they're all in the kit, which made it really great. So the first thing we did was we took the wheel nut off, removed the wheel, unscrewed the shock. We're gonna hold up the spring so that we can remove that cap that's holding it into place and replace the spring with the new pink one. And then now we can replace that cap. We'll screw the shock back on, making sure we have it in the right direction. There's a bigger side and a smaller side. And yeah, so we screw that back into place and then we can replace the wheel. And when we replace the wheel, we're gonna put that pink nut on. And that's it, that's all it takes. It was a really fast and easy change, obviously doing that 4 times over to make sure all 4 wheels and shocks have that pretty pink color. That was it. Super easy, made a great dramatic change, and it was a lot of fun. So here we are, we're putting that body extender on. We're gonna screw that into place on the body itself, and then we're gonna find just the right height for those bars and then screw them into place. Now, normally you'd wanna do all of this before you paint your body. I just didn't, whoops on my part. So now to find the right spot, we need something to mark the inside of the body. Lots of tips were grease or ketchup. I chose to use mascara because, hey, it sure fits our theme. So that helped to leave little spots, as you saw on the inside there. That way I know exactly where to use the body reamer to cut the holes out. That's all it takes, just putting that on and then we're good to go. I took it back off to then add on those accessories. You can see here we did our spoiler and our eyelashes. It's the same concept for both, which is just making sure that the holes are lined up between the spoiler or lashes and the body itself. And there you are, look how cute it is. As a last accessory, we decided to add on the wheelie bar and again, make it pink. So we are unscrewing all the little rods on the side, and then that way we can take that black wheelie bar piece off and put the pink one back on. Not only is it really pretty looking, it's actually, I think, probably stronger because it's metal, and we're gonna do the same thing with that rod at the end. There it is, finished product, ready to go. Now we just want to make sure it's at just the right height. It's got a number of different height spots there, so you're going to screw all of that into place, pick your height, and then screw it on. And here we are. She is all finished, easy peasy. And look at her go. She has so much sass, so much style and personality. I just love it. Yeah, I loved how we got to play with her and have a lot of fun. And I gotta say, it was a really cool experience making this whole thing. I've, like I said at the beginning, never been into the racing, but connecting to it creatively was a great way to introduce myself. All right, guys, there you have it. We are done. We have completed our Queenie, the drag queen car series. She is done. You've now seen her out on the road. Don't you love that little butt shake she does? I think that is the cutest thing. As I said at the end of this video, as well as way back in our first video, I never thought I was a hobby person. Most of the people I knew who were into hobby were full about the racing. They wanted to go fast and they were competitive. I'm not that person. I'm way more interested in being creative. And so this was a really cool way for me to connect to not only the hobby industry, but the people I know who are into hobby. And I enjoyed not only the painting side of things, but actually the tinkering way more than I thought I would. So if you aren't into hobby and you're watching this because you're thinking of it from the drag queen point of view or the painting and artistry, I hope this helps you to connect more to something that you didn't think would be part of your world. Or if you're watching this because you're a hobby person and you have people in your lives, maybe your family members, who don't get it, I encourage you to use this as a way to connect to them. And trust me, if I could find an appreciation and love for hobby by the end of this, anyone can. As I said, what I really liked about it was the creativity. I really enjoyed being able to make a drag queen out of a car, and we got to thinking, what else could we turn a car into? So let me know in the comments, and yeah, give me suggestions. What should we make next? What kind of car should it be? I'm not gonna lie, there's a little part of me that's thinking of Halloween and how it'd be fun to make like a monster truck or something like that, maybe a slasher. So yeah, give me your suggestions. Let me know what you think we should do as a follow-up to Queenie. Until next time, bye.